I'm Peppa Pig. This is my little brother,
John C. Take it easy! What the scallop? I'm a goofy goober! You're a goofy goober! We're all goofy goobers!
And then now you got adult footage, and we got to start the editing.
Get way back in there, down in that throat skate.
I am not getting that close to taking my ring.
Push off ballot. Way back in there. Okay, we're good.
I should say 101.
No, we're good. We're good. End it!
Where did the anus? The anus is a muscular sphincter at the end of the digestive system where one would eliminate solid waste, also known as poop. Pigs are known for making a lot of poop.
The teeth are a hard structure in the mouth that grinds up the food.
It's my umbilical cord that fed me when I was a baby.
Umbilical cord.
Darn it.
Under it. You're like, oh, no, dude.
Feeling was coming after the petting.
The gallbladder stores bile and is secreted by the liver.
The liver secretes bile.
Mesentery, set of tissues that attaches the intestines to the abdominal wall to hold it in place.
What is the small intestine?
It's where the chemical digestion and absorption occurs.
Go.
The large intestine reabsorbs water.
Good word. Send it.
Explain.
Produces and removes
Red blood cells.
What does the pancreas do?
Pancreas secretes insulin to lower blood sugar.
Okay, so now we're supposed to do the heart, and it is a 4-chambered pump that controls blood flow throughout the body.
So the diaphragm, that is a large sheet of muscle that helps breathing. What the?
Windpipe or airway that leads to the lungs is made of rings of cartilage.
so we can see the other one. The esophagus.
The esophagus is esophagus. Tube that connects mouth to stomach. Bingo!
The thyroid glands regulates metabolism.
Well, chemical and mechanical digestion occurs. The stomach. The stomach.
Hi, didn't see you there. You know that kidneys help filter blood and help body pass waste into urine?
What does the rugae do?
The rugae are ridges in the stomach that help to grind down the food.
Oh, didn't see you there. You know what the lungs are? Let me tell you. They're the main organs where gases are exchanged with body cells with diffusion.
If it doesn't, what doesn't kill you makes you strong.